Hi, my name is Dan Buglio with GetTheSmokeOut.com. Today we're going to talk about something a little bit different. This is the Cloud Crusher. It's our brand new machine that we've designed specifically for vape shops. We've been solving tobacco smoke problems for 15 years, and my manufacturer who makes all our equipment has been doing it for over 30 years. So we know a lot about air quality in commercial spaces. What we've done is we've taken all of that expertise and applied it to the vape shop business to solve the air quality problems there. As you know, the vapor and the oil gets all over your countertops, your floors, your front windows, and it becomes a real hassle to clean. You've also got the odors from the various flavors that can permeate the building and can potentially even affect neighbors. Just got off the phone with somebody who had that exact same problem. And there is some debate, and I'm not going to enter this debate, but some people have health concerns, some people don't. Doesn't matter which side you're on. In either case, this will pull the vapor out of the air so there's less to get on your shop, your floors, your windows, and in your lungs. And it will also reduce those odors as well. So, it's a commercial grade machine, 850 CFM. That means it's going to clean the air quickly. One of these units can cover between 400 to 600 square feet. And the difference there is the amount of customers you've got in the shop. If you just have a general shop, it'll cover up to 600 square feet pretty comfortably. If you're doing cloud competitions and packing the place, it's probably only going to cover about 400 square feet comfortably. So I would encourage you to take a look around the website, read through the descriptions. If you've got any type of questions, my name is Dan. Give me a call. I'd be glad to answer them for you. The toll-free number is at the top of the website. So I look forward to hearing from you, and thanks again for watching.